In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an instant video note circle message on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and make sure you're on the main chat screen. From here, choose the person or group you want to message by tapping on their chat. If you don't see them right away, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find their name or the group title. Once you're inside the conversation, you're ready to create your video note. Look down at the bottom of the screen where you usually type messages. You should see the microphone icon that you normally use for voice notes. For video notes, that same area is where the feature lives. But instead of just tapping, you'll need to press and hold the icon. As you hold it, you should notice it changing to show a video camera or circular video indicator. This tells you that you're now in video note mode rather than audio mode. While still holding the button, point your phone's camera toward whatever you want to record. By default, it will usually start with the front-facing camera, which is perfect if you want to send a quick face-to-face message. If you prefer to show something around you, like your surroundings or an object, look for the camera switch icon on the screen and tap it to flip to the rear camera. Keep your finger on the button for as long as you want to record, up to the time limit set by WhatsApp. Try to keep your hand steady and speak clearly so the person receiving it can understand you easily. When you're done, simply release the button. As soon as you let go, the video note will automatically stop recording and start sending to the chat. If you realize you made a mistake while you're still holding the button, you can usually slide your finger away toward the cancel area on the screen to discard the recording instead of sending it. This is helpful if you get interrupted or change your mind mid-sentence. Once the video note has been sent, you'll see it appear as a small circular video message in the conversation. You can tap it to play it back and make sure everything looks and sounds the way you intended. That's all there is to it. With just a press and hold, you can share quick, personal video updates without having to record and attach a full video file.